Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Now most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets use multiple accounts, but we only using one because a beginner will only start with one account to just see what the noise is about, you know what I mean, and just trying it out. So we're going to do that with the bare minimum, and I'm going to show you the type of results you can get from promoting this particular product and why I think it's the greatest product to promote right now, period. All right guys, so anyway, make sure if you want to follow along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to talk about why I like promoting this product. Is because it's actually a really good product. It's a funnel builder, and with no limitations on it, very easy to maneuver stuff. There's tutorials on practically every little thing you need to learn how to do. And honestly, if you've done funnel builders before, you already know how to do everything pretty much. It's not that hard to figure out, and it's just a real simple process to understand, and you can connect them in the domains you want. It's very easy to make nice subdomains, make them in as funnel pages as you want, all that. $25 a month, which is insane. If you use funnel builders, you know that's insane. And the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and I believe it's $97 per month right now, with multiple with a bunch of different limitations on it, such as something as simple as how many people can even see your funnel, let alone how many pages and all that you can make. So yeah, learn the limitations. If you want to get rid of them limitations, you got to pay $300 per month, which is absolute insanity. Don't do it. When you can pay $300 per month, you can buy this product for a year. You know what I mean? So don't do it. So but let's get on to the second reason why I like promoting this product, and I think the reason you guys would be most interested in promoting this product as well is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That's right, 80% recurring commission is the highest I have ever seen. I don't know any other product that even get close to that. The highest on heard is 80% recurring is very, very generous. You can easily build your income with 80% recurring commission, guys. That's all I'm trying to say and trying to get at. And yeah, guys, I just don't know how else to say what I'm saying, you know. So yeah, we're gonna continue on from here, guys. We're gonna refresh the page here to show the results here. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and easy to do. We totally been getting sales like crazy, so it's not really a big deal. This is what I made on the tips of about 4 months. 2006. That's a lot. That's actually quite a bit, and considering what we've been doing, that's a ton. You know what I mean? We've been doing the bare minimum, guys, and I've been showing you guys that. I've been doing the bare minimum and making this money anyway. I'm making this money anyway, guys. Anyway, let's get to it. By the way, before we go to the next part, make sure when people show you results, make sure they refresh the page. It's very easy to change all these numbers around. I just want to make sure I clarify that. Don't believe it if they don't refresh the page. That's all I'm trying to say. Anyway, guys, let's get over here to My Lead Gen Secrets. What we're gonna do, we're gonna select all our leads here, guys. We're gonna go to our next email here, so we can keep coming. Right here, this is our next email. So we're just gonna click that email, load it up. It's already in there. You can copy if you want to. I pause it at certain points. Right there, boom, copy that, copy that, copy that. You pause at any moment and copy all of this, guys. And the link you want to use right here, guys, you want to use you want to use this particular link here, all-in-one $25 business, because it promotes the $20 sale per month and also the $100 sale per month, guys. Make sure I show you guys that. I've been asked about the $100 sale. It's the same link. It promotes both. All right, guys. So anyway, yeah, use that link there. Put it in there, good and all that. You can put a picture of yourself or not. Sometimes it works really well with the picture. Sometimes it doesn't. It kind of don't matter. You can do whatever you want, So anyway, we're gonna perfect timing this. And with perfect timing, does send an email around the time people check emails. So make sure your link works. I don't have to do that because when you click preview, you can check and see if your link works. I don't need to do that because I'm uploading an old email, so I already done checked it and it already works. All right, guys. So we're just gonna send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. It's all just that simple. It's very easy to do. And yeah, that's it, guys. About 4 or 5 minutes every day. Every morning or evening, just throw out about. In fact, when you get a ton of emails in there, it'll only take you about a minute to do, and you can build up income crazy. You can even make YouTube videos like I'm doing now. Just copy exactly what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And the content is the results. Showing you guys my results is the content. That's what most people would be coming for. So you just show the results. Make sure you show your results, and you should be able to do the same as that thing, guys. Just copy it, and the numbers will keep going up. And that's all I want to say. If you're interested in following along, like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.